Hey, what's going on, guys? Just messing around adding some maps, free maps I might add, onto my new GPS unit with the Garmin etrex 20. And this little thing is just really awesome. It's pretty small. It's really small, actually, waterproof. It's a really great unit. Got it on Amazon for about $180. Also got this really cool case. It's got like a paracord, nice big beefy clip on it, and it's really awesome. It's super grippy. It's got this like really thick texture on it. And I mean, this thing is thick. It's pretty lightweight too. Got it from a company called Gizmo Vest. Made in the USA, of course. This thing is really cool. Let me put this down for a second here. It clamshells. You pull this out, and you open it up, and then you set the GPS in there. And then you pull this back, and then you pull this other little clip thing there, and that holds it all together. Really cool case though. Super grippy. I mean, it adds a little bit of bulk, but the thing's already tiny. So I mean, my hands aren't super huge, but pretty cool. Anyway, I'll do a little more in-depth video coming up. Again, it's the Garmin etrex 20. Not really coming in too good for some reason. Boy, that's horrible. Alright guys, have a good one.